I'm Alex Porco, Mobile Service Manager. Today we are here for a special event that we put together. We are here with our mobile team doing oil changes on multiple vehicles. Just wanted to give a rundown on what we can do and all the capabilities of our mobile service team and our vehicles here. Our mobile service team services all makes and models. We will come to your best place of work or your home to service your vehicle. As you can see here, our vans are fully equipped for the day to service all oil changes, recalls, and other small maintenance items like batteries and bulbs. We do a lot of other work. We're all prepared for whatever we come across.